If you're seeing an iMessage activation error on your iPhone 17 running iOS 26 or later, don't worry. This issue usually happens because the activation request between Apple's servers and your carrier's SMS verification system fails. Normally, iMessage activation can take up to 24 hours, but you can try these fixes to resolve the error faster. First, let's check a few basic things before doing advanced troubleshooting. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. iMessage activation requires a stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see which one works better. Next, check international SMS support. During activation, Apple sends a silent international SMS message to verify your phone number. If your carrier blocks international SMS or your plan balance is low, activation may fail. Another important setting is date and time. Open the Settings app, go to General, then Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Also confirm that your device is running the latest version of iOS 26. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Now let's reset iMessage and FaceTime, which often fixes activation issues. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap Apps, then Messages, and turn off iMessage. Go back to Apps, tap FaceTime, and turn off FaceTime as well. Now restart your iPhone 17. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. After your iPhone restarts, go back to Settings and turn iMessage and FaceTime back on. If the activation error still appears, the next step is resetting network settings. Open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and cellular configurations, but it will not delete your personal data. Once the reset is complete, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try activating iMessage again. Now let's look at some advanced fixes specifically for iPhone 17 users, especially if you recently upgraded from an older iPhone or switched to an eSIM. If you are using an eSIM, try reactivating it through your carrier. Some users fix the problem by deleting the eSIM and requesting a new one from their carrier's portal or mobile app. Next, verify your phone number. Open Settings, tap Phone, then My Number, and make sure your correct phone number is listed. If it is blank or incorrect, enter the correct number and restart your device. You can also enable an Apple ID fallback while waiting for number activation. Open Settings, tap Messages, then Send and Receive. Make sure your Apple ID email address is checked. This allows you to use iMessage with your email while the phone number completes the activation process. If none of these steps fix the problem after 24 hours, check Apple's system status page to confirm that the iMessage servers are online. You may also need to contact your carrier to make sure there are no service blocks or SMS restrictions on your line. That's it. These are the most effective ways to fix the iMessage activation error on iPhone 17 running iOS 26. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if